On this page, we are going to go over the multiplication strategy, grouping repeated addition. We're going to read about the idea, look at it applied to an example, and answer a check for understanding question. Let's read. Ready? Read. Grouping repeated addition. Write out the repeated addition, then find easy to multiply smaller groups. 2 times 8 is 2 added 8 times. So if we wrote out the repeated addition, we would have 2 added a total of 8 times. Now maybe you don't have 2 times 8 memorized, but perhaps you have 2 times 5 memorized as 10. And then that leaves us with a group of 3 more 2's to give us 2 times 3, which maybe is something that you've memorized as well, as opposed to a bigger number like 8. We can break the repeated addition into these two groups, take the multiplication of the first part, take the multiplication of the second part, and put it all together to know that 2 times 8 would equal 10 plus 6, or 16. Check for understanding. Ready, read. Explain how this problem uses grouping repeated addition to find that 8 times 6 equals 48. We see here that 8 times 6, and they have written out 8 repeated in an addition 6 times. Look at how they grouped up these 8's to come to the conclusion that 8 times 6 equals 48. Use this sentence frame to start your explanation. In this problem, blank. In this problem, 8 is added 6 times. Then they grouped 5 8's to get 40, and they added the last 8 to give them 40 plus 8 equals 48. So that tells us that 8 times 6 equals 48.